Well, good morning everybody. How y'all doing? Pretty good here, and welcome to the channel. Hey, today we're going to do a little test. I put out a video recently on the wireless charger that I installed in the Tundra back there, and I had some people ask me, well, how does the charging time compare to the old style method? You know, this method, the old cord. So I figured we'd do a little test. Gonna take the truck out, gonna do the same thing that I did before, and it is the perfect day for it out here. Man, it is, as I squint, it is bright sunshine out here, just awesome. But anyway, we're gonna do the same test. I'm gonna plug my phone in, which should be down a little bit, hopefully on charge, and we're gonna drive in two 15-minute increments. So 15 minutes, we'll check to see how much charge or percentage the phone has gained, and then we'll drive for another 15 minutes, and for a total of, yes, a half an hour. And we'll see how much it's changed after that in comparison with the wireless charger that I put on. So I'm gonna go ahead and get in the truck, get all hooked up, and we'll give that a try. Okay, before we get started on this, I have to share something with you guys. You know, as a YouTuber, I get lots of comments, positive comments, neutral comments, and negative comments, because people like to get out there and just throw dirt when they can. Some people get off on it. I don't know. A while back, about over a year ago, I put out a video on how to find the gas release, you know, the door release on a Jeep Cherokee. I did it because it's kind of difficult to find. I had trouble myself until I consulted the manual, right? And I thought maybe this could help some people out. So I put the video out. And yesterday, I got a comment from somebody that I'm going to share. Now, I'm going to PG this up for you guys a little bit, because this is a PG channel. So you can fill in what they really said. But this comment says, "What a daggone jackarse. You should have cut 5 minutes off this video. We urinated several people off trying to fill our dealer loaner up during rush hour while trying to get there before they closed. Contrary to your belief, no one wants to hear you talk that much. Keep it simple, stupid. Kiss method." I don't know. Kind of funny, I think. Actually, I think it's very funny. You know, somehow I have some responsibility, I guess, in this person not knowing how to put gas in their car. You see, I would argue it the other way around. Had you not had my video to consult, he'd probably still be there. He'd probably be living at the gas station, urinating more people off. I don't know. Somehow it's my fault. I'm the jackarse. Okay, let's get back to the topic at hand here. Whether or not the USB cord, you know, the old cord, charges the phone faster than the new wireless charging port that we have right here. We're going to find out. First of all, we need to plug this cord in. For those of you that don't know, you do, of course, have a jack down here, and it's kind of hard to do one-handed. We're gonna give it the old try. Right there is the jack underneath here. So you got to pop it up and stick the cord in on the top one. See if we can get lucky right off one-handed doing this, because you know you got to kind of hold the thing up, and of course I probably have it upside down. You know, they only go in one way. Let's try that again. I think we got it. Okay, there, we got it in. Now, that was easy. Now, for the phone part of this, put my sunglasses back on. I couldn't see with them on. We're going to go ahead and take the phone. I'm going to use my my magnetic holder right up here. And there'll be a link down there, by the way, if anybody's interested in picking this up. I love this holder. Disclaimer, it doesn't work with the charger because it has that metal plate on the back. But we're going to go ahead and plug in the phone. We'll see what charge it has right now. And then we're going to give it 15 minutes. We'll check it again, and 15 minutes more, and then we'll have the winner. Which one is faster? The USB, the old style connected method, or the brand new wireless charger? So let's go ahead and plug this in, get you guys on here so you can see how much juice is in the phone, hopefully. Matter of fact, I'm going to do it down here where I can hopefully balance you guys a little bit. Let's get the phone set there, or the camera rather. There we go. Let's plug it in. see where it is. It should pop up. There you go. It says unlock phone to use accessories. Well, that was an unanticipated issue. Now let's lock the phone back up and see if we can. 77% charged. So let's go ahead. We'll put this up here on the holder, and I'm going to go ahead and take off. It is 12:09 right now, so at 12:24 we'll come back on and see how much of a charge the phone up there has. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. You guys can see behind the cord hanging here. It's 12:24. So we're going to start the 15 minutes running right now because we're in the truck. So at 12:39 it'll be a half an hour. We'll check it again. But where are we? Let's take a look. 81%. So it would appear that in 15 minutes that we picked up 4%. It was 77 to begin with, remember? So we are way behind the brand new charging tray right now. So we're going to go for another 15 minutes. If you recall, it was, I believe, 11% that we picked up in half an hour with the new Tundra charger. So, and the wireless to boot. We're also going to check the heat on this thing once we're all done, just like we did before, to see if it heats up like it did on the new charger. But 4% after 15 minutes. I don't know. Unless something changes, I think the wireless tray might actually be quicker. We'll be back. Okay, we've gone another 15 minutes. You guys can see right there it is 12:39. We're going to check, see what the readout is here. Let's check it. It is, if this focus is on there, oops, I don't know if you guys saw that. Let's make it dark. We'll do it one more time. 88%. You guys can see right there, it is 88%. Now, what does that mean? Well, on the new charger that we have, after 30 minutes, it was 21% increase. We knocked it down to about 20 just to make the math easier. It would take you about 5 hours to go from 0 charge to 100%. This one at 88% was 11% increase over 30 minutes. So to get to 100%, it'd take you a little over twice as long as what the new charger down here would do. You guys can see right there. And of course, with the new charger, you have a nice clean look, right? You don't have this cord dangling around, got to try to find this thing. I don't know. You have this, which I think is very aesthetically pleasing. Now, as far as heat goes, let's do the same test we did before. I can tell you already, it is slightly warm. Up against the face, it's just slightly warm. I wouldn't say it's any warmer than your hand is against your face, you know? Pretty darn close. So, it is, it does produce less heat, obviously, to use the USB, but it's a slower charging time, and I think that's why. Since the wireless is a higher speed charger, the battery heats up a little bit more because you've got more juice going in. So, it does stay cooler if you go with the USB option. Anyway, that's the little test. To be honest, I'm a little surprised that the USB connection is that much slower than the wireless. I would definitely opt for the wireless if speed of charging concerns you at all. If for nothing else, then you don't have to screw with that cord anymore because there's no benefit to having it. Anyway, I'll leave a link down, or a part number down below if you're looking to pick this up. You can go over to sparksparts.com, use discount code RobMotive for 5% off your order and grab one of these. I'll also leave a link to the install video, the complete install video. Pretty detailed. It's pretty easy to do too, so I think anybody could do it really. Anyway, let me know what you guys think of this. Are you as surprised as I am? I really am amazed that it is that much slower to go with the cord than the wireless. As usual, appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time on the web. Have a great day. Bye.